Hello, my smart little learners. Let's have some fun with an addition quiz. Read each question carefully and choose the correct answer. 1. 4 plus 5 equals what? A. 6. B. 9. C. 8. The correct answer is B. 2. 3 plus 2 equals what? A. 4. B. 6. C. 5. The correct answer is C. 3. 1 plus 6 equals what? A. 7. B. 5. C. 6. The correct answer is A. 4. 3 plus 4 equals what? A. 6. B. 7. C. 5. The correct answer is B. 5. 5 plus 2 equals what? A. 7. B. 6. C. 8. The correct answer is A. 6. 6 plus 1 equals what? A. 6. B. 8. C. 7. The correct answer is C. 7. 2 plus 2 equals what? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. The correct answer is B. 8. 3 plus 5 equals what? A. 7. B. 9. C. 8. The correct answer is C. 9. 4 plus 1 equals what? A. 6. B. 5. C. 4. The correct answer is B. 10. 1 plus 3 equals what? A. 4. B. 5. C. 3. The correct answer is A. 11. 5 plus 4 equals what? A. 8. B. 9. C. 7. The correct answer is B. 12. 2 plus 6 equals what? A. 7. B. 9. C. 8. The correct answer is C. 13. 3 plus 3 equals what? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. The correct answer is B. 14. 7 plus 1 equals what? A. 8. B. 7. C. 9. The correct answer is A. 15. 6 plus 2 equals what? A. 9. B. 7. C. 8. The correct answer is C. 16. 4 plus 3 equals what? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. The correct answer is B. 17. 1 plus 5 equals what? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. The correct answer is B.
18. 2 plus 7 equals what? A. 8. B. 10. C. 9. The correct answer is C. 19. 3 plus 6 equals what? A. 8. B. 9. C. 7. The correct answer is B. 20. 4 plus 4 equals what? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. The correct answer is C. Great job! Wow, you did an amazing job. Keep practicing and you'll be a math champion.